Hello everyone and welcome to another review. Today we are going to take a look at a robot, a LEGO robot. Actually it's not only a robot, but it can be a spaceship or an off-spray airplane, vertical takeoff airplane, or a dinosaur. You can build all of those models with the new MITU from Xiomi set. This is almost 1000 pieces, to be more exact 978 pieces, and it's relatively heavy. This is a combination between Lego and smartphone, because it has a controller which will move your robot or dinosaur, and you can program it from your smartphone to do whatever you want to do. So you can combine programming with building. It's similar to some other things from Lego, but this comes from Xiaomi in this box. You don't get other details about it, so let's see what we get inside. So on top of the box we get these two, which I believe that they are actuators or motors inside that will spin this, and they come with a connector which looks similar to a USB type C connector. And this is the small power box. This is the CPU. It has connector for motors here. Got a reset plug, and it has some things there, probably a speaker. Here has a microphone and a power on button. Let's see what other things we get inside. Oh, and by the way, this has here a 14-volt indication, so probably it has a built-in battery, maybe a LiPo, a rechargeable battery. I don't know that yet. We'll hopefully soon find out. And inside we get a nice and thick manual, hopefully with some English. This thing it's only in Chinese. It shows us some stuff about this, and that we need to download an application for it to work. Okay, and let's see what's in the manual. Probably more Chinese, but even if it's in Chinese, maybe it has a step-by-step guide of how to build actually this thing and the other models, which is more important. So this is the booklet, and yes, it's in Chinese, but it does show assembly part with part, so you can build your model. And it has the robot inside and the dinosaur. So let's take a look inside the box further. So we get a charger, and it's also a type C USB. So this thing powers two things at once, and we get some rubber tires, and of course a few bags with various parts, which I'm going to start to assemble.
Without you, I fade out. Without strength, without love, I lose sense, I lose
after a few years, which I have especially took to assemble this thing, I'm joking, but there was a bit of time that it took me to assemble this correctly. It's now finished and it's working, and I'm going to show you some really nice things about it. This is a support for it. As you can see, it will balance on 2 wheels only, so there's no magic trick here. It doesn't have any balance now because it's turned off, but before starting it up you need to place it on this support here, and I'm going to launch the app. The app was updated, I don't know when, because I did joke about taking it 1 year to work, but actually I have this for about maybe 1 year, but I never had enough time to assemble it. Until then the app has been updated and there's a new sensor released which is compatible with this supposedly, so you can add a color tracing sensor or something like that. There is another version of this robot which is now tank or something like that, so they did update the app also. And what is really nice is the fact that the app is now in English, because initially when I got this stuff it was only in Chinese. And beside programming and stuff like that, you get the build manual option, where you have an option to download other things that you can build from the set. A thing that was again not available at the release time. The robot will only come with just one manual for one model only. Well, now you have several manuals here, and not only the official ones, but you have this creative part here. There's a bug now in the app because there are something like 10 or maybe more models here, I don't know. I have downloaded them all, but oh, there you go. You can see now they do appear, but the app doesn't let me always go up and down. So the same is for the official. And initially you get this MITU builder, but there's a dinosaur and the Osprey aircraft which you can build from the same set, and the same goes for the creative here option, where you have plenty more models to choose from and build. Right, so I'm now going to power this thing on. So I'm going to go into controller option. Bluetooth should be enabled. Yes, it is. And the power button of the robot is hidden here. Now I'm going to try to press it. That's gonna be a bit complicated. And now I can remove the support, and I can even put this back on. And let's connect to the robot. Bluetooth connect, right? And I'm going to select my robot, and now I'm in control almost. And I'm going to go to controller, and look at that. I'm in full control of the robot. Right, and the app has some really nice things. You get this programming option where you can create a program based on visual indications, so you can command the robot to do a turn, speed, forward, and so on, and that will make it execute something. And of course you can even set it on start to balance automatically or not, so that's really nice. And you have a lot of things here, and you can do some really nice programming with input case, loop, mathematics, and so on. And you can save that. Right, and you can register the new sensor, which I have ordered but has not arrived yet. And on route planning, as you can see, you can design something like that, and you press play and the robot will execute it. And it has that nice management thing. If it hits something, it will keep its balance and will eventually avoid it. It will not crash down and it will not do something violent. We also get some nice sound effects like shooting guns, and you get gyro control from phone if you wish to. And there's something else, is this thing here, voice. You get instructions like go, left, back, stop, and so on. So if I press back, I'm going to try again. Go back. Stop. And it has some kind of voice recognition, and you can do some demos like that. And if I gonna pick it up, it's going to stop. What I also want to show you is the detail of this build and the complications. So you get two motors here, just two motors. Those motors are connected with drive chains made from parts, as you have seen in the video. Then you have gearing here, and the gearing goes through there, and then you have this drive shaft with CVs, and then again you have gearing there, lots of gearing, and the gearing then controls this gun here. And you can see if the robot is tilted too much, it will just going to stop, but as you go near its balance point, it will try to level out, and if I let it on the ground, it balances automatically. So it's really smart. The gyro really knows what's happening around it. So as you see, it's a really nice toy. I'm going to turn it off for now, and you can really build a lot of stuff from it. It's really creative. There's almost 1000 parts here, so you can do a lot of stuff with it. And with the launch of the other sets, you can really combine them into something really awesome. And I'm going to get probably all the other models as well to complete my collection, MITU collection, which I really love. So until next time, be sure to follow my next uploads, and bye bye.